guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to do the makeup tag. If you are interested in watching this, then keep on watching. Okay guys, so we have a bunch of questions here. I actually saw my friend Amy Lynn do this. She will be in the cards above. And actually, she saw this from another friend, Sherri Ward, and she will be in the description below. So make sure you check out both of their channels and check out their tags. Okay, so the very first question is, how often do you wear a full face of makeup? I would say 6 out of the 7 days. Yeah, 6 out of 7 days a week. And number 2 is your makeup more neutral or more colorful? I would say more neutral, but I'm venturing off into colors. I've been touching, you know, here and there in colors. Today my makeup's just neutral, but just matched my clothes, so mainly neutral though, but it's gonna change. Number 3, how long does it take you to do your makeup look? Honestly, about an hour, and if I'm doing other things while I'm doing the makeup, probably about an hour and a half. Like, all depending where I'm going that day. I mean, just to throw on my makeup, probably about an hour. Okay, number 4. Do you apply your foundation before or after you've done your eyeshadow? Before. If I have a palette that there's a lot of fallout, like a lot of fallout, it's getting tossed in the trash. Like, I really don't have a lot of fallout with any of my palettes, so. And if so, I bake. So, let's see. Number 5. What are some bad makeup habits you have that you can't stop doing? I would have to say sleeping in my makeup, and I know that's probably most people's answer, but I do sleep in my makeup a lot, and then like if I can, like I'll try to like patch it up, which is really, really bad. I shouldn't do that, but I do, and I shouldn't. Okay, do you use beauty influencers techniques for your own techniques to apply your makeup, or your own techniques to apply your makeup? My own. I don't really watch big beauty influencers. Like, I mean, I do, but I don't watch the tutorials. Okay. Sorry, ran out of battery or something. I don't know what happened. Okay. Number 7. What is the one step in your makeup routine that takes the longest to complete? My eyebrows. My eyebrows take forever. Oh my lord. I like figure I have to get them perfect. Like, I have to get them perfect. And one's always not as full as the other, and yeah, my eyebrows. Okay, number 8. What is the one step in your makeup routine that you're okay with skipping? Lipstick? I think I'm totally fine with that. I can skip my lipstick. Totally fine with it. Okay, number 8. What is the one step in your makeup routine that you're not okay with skipping? That'd be my foundation. Ain't no way I'm going out with this mug without my mask on. No way. Okay, number 9. What types of makeup looks are out of your comfort zone? Bright colors. I'm venturing out a little bit, but bright colors are my they scare me. Bright colors and then black scares me, but I'm dabbling right now, so. Do you wear matte liquid lipstick, cream lipstick, gloss, or mixture? I'll wear like a matte liquid lipstick or a cream lipstick, but gloss is my favorite. Like, I love gloss. I hate my lips being dry. Like, I would just lick them nonstop. Be licking, licking, licking. Okay, number 11. If you could wear one shade of lipstick for the rest of your life, what would it be? I'm not sure if they want like a specific brand, or it would be a nude, like a pink nude kind of color, I think. Something like ooh, this. Like something totally like this. Like, I absolutely love this. This is a lip gloss, but my lips are really dry right now. But this is like a nudie pink. Or, you know, like usually I use this underneath. It's like a nudie pink. That's what I like though. Okay, do you highlight and contour your face? Yes, I do. Both. And as you can tell by my nose gleaming like a light bulb, I absolutely love highlighter. And I just feel like I should be shining like a big bright light bulb. I want to light up the room when I walk in. I want to turn heads. I want people to notice. And what's the point of doing your makeup if you're not gonna bing? You know what I mean? 13. And the last question. What is the one step in your makeup routine that makes you feel the most complete? It's kind of a hard question. What is the one step in your makeup routine that makes you feel the most complete? As far as being done, like when you know when you're done, like you hit the home stretch, I would say mascara, if that's the way the question is going. But if it's going the other way, like what makes me feel like complete, that would be my foundation, because it's just, once I cover up this face with all these flaws, I just feel complete. Like, I don't know, you know, like you feel like you when my face is on, which when it's all covered up and like looking good, then I feel complete, you know. But yeah, guys, so that concludes this video and this makeup tag. Make sure that you guys check out Amy's channel and check out her makeup tag video, and also Miss Sherri Ward's. Both of them will be in the description below. Amy will be in the cards above. And I will see you guys next time.